Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your GCash transaction history. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your GCash app on your mobile device and log in into your account. And unfortunately, GCash does not allow users to delete transaction history for security and transparency reason. All transactions are securely stored on GCash server and cannot be removed. The only way to permanently delete all your transaction history is to delete your GCash account. To do this, just go to your profile section and tap on this arrow. Just scroll down and delete the account. But keep in mind that deleting your account will permanently remove access to your GCash wallet. Make sure to withdraw your balance and resolve any pending transaction before proceeding. And that's it. While you can delete individual transaction, deleting your account is the only way to remove all records. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and take care.